Today is a very special day. It is springtime, which means we get to take the car out of the barn. All right? So in the barn, we're going to keep the 20-year-old Forester. We're going to take it out. We're going to see if it's, well, first of all, if it starts. And then we're going to talk about the thing, too. All right. Here it is. You'll notice it has bat birds on it. That's because bats pooped on it. Look at that thing. It's not a Subaru if it doesn't have the stickers. Am I right? Or am I right? There it is. Let's look for signs of mice. Come in here, take a look. Tell me if you see any mice dropping.
Some good rust right there.
It smells only slightly like a mouse. Glove compartment check. The napkins are not torn apart. Here's the trick, you guys. Old Spice Sweat Defense is a mouse deterrent. Look at this. This has been melted and conglomerated back together.
Conglomerated.
Like 5 times. The mice don't like this. Smell this.
Mice don't like that.
Mice do not. I don't even like. Nobody likes it, and that's why you keep it in there.
I don't even like it.
It looks like we might be mouse-proof. Yeah, I don't know if the battery's hooked up.
Definitely dead.
Pop in the hood.
Let's pop in the hood. Polaris snowmobile. Pop the hood.
We did leave the battery hooked up.
We did.
And the battery is 3 years old.
Dead.
It might be dead.
It is dead.
You think so? Dead. We'll be right back.
Press the light button. Yeah, it's dead.
We killed it.
Yeah, it's
Our
dead.
jump starter's dead.
Jump starter's dead. I don't know.
Now we have to walk 10 miles into town to
It's dead.
find some of the jump starter core. So.
Part 2. I think we need to press nothing. Why isn't the hood popped? What are we doing out here? Pop the hood.
Nope. Right there.
Right there. Right there. Right there. Black to red, red to black.
Red to black.
Remember that. That's how you...
Is it ready to go?
Now we wait. Third time's the charm.
Third time's a charm.
We went down to 89%. We're down 4. Boost!
Christmas tree.
Temperature protection. Fuck! We're down to 85%. We're down to 85%. Boost! I don't like red light.
Damn it.
6, 7. No mouse.
There's not a mouse living in the air filter. There could be a mouse living in there.
Good.
Okay, the jump starter was not working. Pulled out this handy dandy. Was that a Schumacher? This thing, quick little product review here. This thing is good. I'm a big fan. This is a standard. I'm pretty sure. Not an AMG. You can standard AMG gel batteries. You can do like a normal charge. You can do a 30 amp boost, which is faster charge 30 amps, and you can just jump start your car. It's on. I think I have to press start. No, I just turned it off. My bad. Tells you it's charging. This thing is a good battery charger. I wish it did have. Some of them have alternator testers on them, so you can test like the voltage regulator. This one doesn't. But that would be the only feature I'd like to have. Maybe they do make one that does. We just didn't buy that one because this one's cheaper. But anyways, I've used this on tractor batteries, car batteries, truck batteries, boat batteries. This thing's good. All right, it's been on the charger for a while. We're gonna try again. Hell yeah! Woo! Here's a look at the engine bay of this thing. Obviously it's old. It looks kind of junky. There is a little bit of it kind of smells like just exhaust rising up from the engine bay down in mostly this corner. I'm guessing that's just coming out of the cracks of the catalytic converter. I'm guessing that's not anything actually. I mean, it could be burning up some old sludge. This thing hasn't been started in like a year, I don't think. There's also all sorts of sludge in there. That's probably power steering fluid leaking. I think that's a power steering pump. But we're gonna let the engine warm up a bit, and we're gonna try to pull it out of here.
Yeah, it's steaming. That's a pose right there, girl.